The watermelon wonder, a juicy exploration. Watermelons, with their striking colors and refreshingly sweet taste, have been a beloved summer treat for centuries. They not only offer a burst of flavor, but also come packed with surprising health benefits, rich cultural significance, and endless culinary possibilities. Join us as we embark on a juicy exploration of this extraordinary fruit, uncovering everything from its ancient origins to modern-day uses. A nutritional powerhouse, watermelons are dominated by water, making them an excellent way to stay hydrated, especially during the scorching summer months. Their high water content helps keep your body hydrated and cool, making them a perfect choice for those hot days. They are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and C. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining healthy skin, boosting the immune system, and supporting good vision. Watermelons are rich in antioxidants, particularly lycopene. Lycopene has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and certain cancers. It helps fight free radicals in the body, promoting overall health and longevity. A history as sweet as the fruit. The journey of the watermelon begins in Africa, where it was first cultivated in ancient Egypt. These early watermelons were highly prized, often depicted in tomb paintings, and enjoyed by royalty. As trade routes expanded, watermelons made their way across the globe. They became a popular fruit in many warm climates, adapting to various regions and cultures along the way. The quest for the biggest and best has led to incredible feats. The largest watermelon ever recorded weighed over 350 pounds, showcasing the fruit's potential for extraordinary growth. Cultural significance and symbolism. Watermelons are synonymous with summer festivities. From 4th of July picnics to vibrant street fairs, they add a touch of sweetness to celebrations and gatherings. In numerous cultures, watermelons symbolize prosperity and abundance. They are often featured in festivals and traditional rituals, representing good fortune and a bountiful harvest. This iconic fruit has captured the imagination of artists and writers for centuries. It appears in various forms of art, literature, and folklore, symbolizing summer and joy. Creative culinary applications. While enjoying watermelon fresh and chilled is classic, there are countless inventive ways to incorporate it into your meals. Its versatile flavor can enhance a variety of dishes. Watermelon adds a refreshing twist to salads and salsas. Combine it with feta cheese, mint, and a splash of lime for a delightful and unique flavor profile. For a nutritious boost, blend watermelon with other fruits and vegetables. Its natural sweetness and juiciness make it a fantastic base for smoothies and juices. Don't overlook the rinds. Pickled watermelon rind offers a tangy, flavorful snack that's a bit off the beaten path. Watermelon can also star in a range of desserts. Think of watermelon ice cream, sorbet, or even a refreshing watermelon pie for a sweet ending to your meal. Health benefits beyond taste. The citrulline in watermelon is known to enhance blood flow and potentially reduce muscle soreness, contributing to cardiovascular health and athletic performance. With its fiber content, watermelon aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut, promoting overall digestive well-being. The high water content of watermelon not only refreshes, but also supports essential bodily functions, ensuring you stay hydrated and healthy. Growing your own watermelon. Cultivating watermelons at home can be a rewarding and fun experience. They thrive in sunny locations and require consistent watering. With the right care, you'll be able to harvest your own fresh, juicy watermelons. Select a watermelon variety that suits your local climate and growing conditions. This will ensure a successful harvest and a delicious fruit to enjoy. Conclusion: watermelons are more than just a seasonal treat. They are a powerhouse of nutrition, a symbol of celebration, and a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. So the next time you enjoy a juicy slice, remember the rich history and myriad benefits packed in each bite. Embrace the watermelon wonder and savor every refreshing moment.